Watch and learn to see how to couple your 20 inches maxi electrical fan. This is not a rechargeable fan, it's just an electrical fan that is instant light connection for usage. So you'll be getting all of this. Now what you'll be getting in your pack of maxi fan is the standing rod, the standing board, just like you are seeing there. You will also be getting the basket of the fan, as well as the blade of the fan, as well as the nut for tying. Yeah, so this is what you'll be getting. Now you get your screwdriver, just like you are seeing there. You unscrew the nuts so as to enable you use the same screw to fix in your rod to enable your stand to stand firmly. Yes, so we are unscrewing our nuts now. Guys, this method is kind of applicable to all standing fan, as all standing fan are built the same way, but there's usually slight difference in the building, so as this may also affect the installation, as you will be experiencing some slight differences. So yes, that is supposed to cover the nut. What was just brought out from the pack is supposed to be used to cover the nut. That's the essence of that cover, is a screw cover, instead of you installing your fan and then your screw is just out in the open. Maxi don't want that. They want your screw, they want your connection, your installation parts to be covered, hence the small cover you are seeing there. So yeah, you put in your rod, just like you are seeing there. Hold it firm with your screw and screw your tight. Screw must be screwed in tightly, because the firmly it is tightly screwed, the more firmly your fan will stand. You don't want a situation where your screw is screwed in, not tightly screwed in, and then your fan will now be shaking. Just that will can cause some form of accident, leading to the fan falling on you while in usage. You do not want that to happen. So once you have put in your rod, you've secured it with your screw, you must make sure to screw tightly. Make sure your screw is tight. Confirm, as it's always advisable to err in the side of caution than to err in the side of negligence. So yeah, that is what our installation man is doing there. He is making sure he screw it tightly, so as to prevent or avoid any form of negligence or careless accident. So now you have to remove this hold, the hold you are seeing there. You have to remove it. Yes, remove the rod. There's actually some, yes, the extension, it's usually inside, so you have to bring it out, and then you put in your screw cover, just like you are seeing there. You see, that is firmly covered. See, yeah, we make sure everything is properly installed in its place so as to avoid any form of accident. And then you go back to put in your screw, your rod screw, just like you are seeing there. Yes, so now we are moving on to installing the fan engine. The fan engine, this is an important part of the fan, as it control the usage, the entire usage of the fan. Guys, anytime you are installing anything electronics, you must endeavor to go through the manual. Yes, you must endeavor to go through the manual, because your manual helps you know whether or not you are in the right track. The essence of the manual that in any electronic package is to guide you in the installation of such electronics. Yeah, so that is what our installation man is doing there. No knowledge, nobody is an island of knowledge, so you cannot just assume because you've done it over time. Yeah, expertise comes from continuous practice, right? But it doesn't stop you from going through your manual. You must go through the manual to enable you, ensure that you are on the right track. Just like I said earlier, it is better to err in the side of caution than to err in the side of negligence. So yeah, you have to remove there's always screws. One thing with Max is that they'll put each screw where they want you to use the screw. So you must remove the screw first, just like he did there. Make sure your fan engine is standing firmly. Your fan engine must be standing firmly on the rod. Then you go ahead to screw. with any form of electronic at all, while installing, your screw must be tightly screwed in. It must be tightly screwed in to ensure firm holding and to prevent any form of accident while in use. So once you do that, you have to check to make sure your screw is not preventing the usage of your electronics. That is what we are doing there. After you have secured the engine, you go ahead to put in the blade and the basket of your fan. This is a very simple process. Installing a maxi standing fan is a very simple thing. It's nothing complicated. It's just to follow the step. When you don't know the step, you have to follow the manual. Look into your manual, use your manual. Your manual is your guide. Yeah. So after you have secured the engine, you go into putting the basket of your fan as well as the blade, which is what our installation manager is trying to do there. Now, just like I said, making sure that each part of your electronics is securely attached to where it is meant to be attached cannot be overemphasized. You must make sure that each part of your electronics while you are installing is attached firmly to the part it is meant to be attached to. Guys, yes, that is what a good installer always does. So yeah, you put in your basket, make sure your basket is seated properly, is properly fixed, and then you go ahead to put in the blade of your fan. After that, you cover it. There is a cover that has been put in your package for the purpose of covering the blade from falling off while in usage. So you go ahead to use the cover to secure it firmly. You secure it just like you are saying. It's a very simple process. Use the cover, secure it firmly. You have to tighten, screw in very firmly to make sure the cover and the blade and the basket is properly being held. Just like you are seeing there, you put in the cover just like that. This is very simple. It's usually fixed anti-clockwise. You fix it anti-clockwise and then you go ahead to fix it. Make sure everything is working properly well. Make sure your blade is not falling off. Then you go ahead to cover with your second basket. Now guys, this is where there's a little bit of technicality, because affixing this hold, this ropey hold, using this band now to cover and band in the both baskets, sometimes it's a little bit difficult. So what do? Loosening the screw holding the band together, loosen it a bit with your screwdriver. After you lose it a bit, then you go ahead to put the basket together, then use the band to band them together. You band them together just like you are seeing there. When it is properly band, when the both basket is sitting properly, then you will now tighten in the screw using your screwdriver just like you are seeing there. Guys, fixing or coupling, installing a maxi standing fan 20 inches is not difficult. It's something anybody can do, and this is a step-by-step guide on how to do it. When you know this, I think you can also apply this knowledge to basically any standing fan, as their difference is usually not much. Yeah, and so here you have it. Your standing fan is properly coupled together and fixed. Hope this video is helpful to you.